Hey guys, we're over here at the job site today. I don't know if y'all have ever known this because we probably haven't really mentioned it too much, but we do actually offer welding. A lot of us have a welding background. A couple of us actually went to a trade school or specialty school for that. Some guys still do it full time. We can do everything from knickknacks, yard art, gates, fences, pipe fences, stuff like that. Other than that, we like to weld a lot of stuff. We fix a lot of people's trailers. Right here, I'm actually making a small little gun rack. Nothing major at all, just something basic, simple, real quick, slapping it together. But we're also going to be fixing a gate at a house, so I had some extra metal, so why not make a small little gun rack. So I'm going to start putting this thing together and strike up an arc. There we go. So if you guys or any of your friends, family, anybody you know needs a welding project, whether it's a cattle guard, a pipe fence, gate, stuff like that, or happen to have a trailer that needs some work done on it, welding-wise, feel free to give us a shout. If you guys got some crazy yard art ideas, stuff like that, we can always figure out a price. Something more or less we used to do back in the day as a professional. Then we kind of got into hobby stuff, always on the side, but now we're going to actually offer it full-time with Warrior Wolf, doing our pipe fences, stuff like that. So if y'all have any questions, comments, concerns, feel free to reach out to us. We got our little machine so we can do interior stuff. We also got our big machine in the bed of one of our trucks that we run out to do all our big pipe fences and big jobs. So if y'all have any questions with this or happen to have some ideas, want to reach out to us, give us a shout. This is Garrett with Warrior Wolf. Y'all have a good one.